Hello everyone, this video is dedicated to our journey and pilgrimage to the northern region of Turkmenistan, Dashoguz. To travel to this colder region compared to the capital, we chose the train as it was the most convenient and affordable option. In the evening, we boarded the train from the capital's station and arrived in the central city of the region, Dashoguz, by morning. From there, we took a taxi, and in just an hour and a half, we arrived in the famous city of Kunya Urgench, one of the oldest cities in Turkmenistan and all of Central Asia. Its name translates from Turkmen as Old Urgench. Kunya Urgench is located 480 km north of the capital of Turkmenistan. From the 11th to the 13th century, Kunya Urgench was the capital of a major medieval empire, the Khwarezmian state, ruled by the Oghuz Turkmen Anishtigenid dynasty. It remained the center of Khwarezm until the 16th century. In the first half of the 14th century, it was the main center of Islamic theology, and in the latter half, it was repeatedly attacked and destroyed by Timur's forces. Our initial goal was to visit the Mausoleum of Najm Kubra and provide as much detail as possible about this remarkable figure. In the video you can see a complex of architectural monuments. Many people come here to visit the grave of Najm Kubra, make dua and give charity. Najm Kubra's full name, Abul Janab Ahmed ibn Umar al-Hiwaqi al-Khwarizmi. Abul Janab, an honorary title meaning father of greatness. Ahmad ibn Umar, his personal name, indicating that his father's name was Umar. Al-Hiwaqi indicates his origin from the village of Hiwaq near Khwarezm. Al-Khwarizmi signifies that he was from Khwarezm. The name Najm Kubra is his spiritual title meaning great star of the faith. The building on the left is the tomb where Najm Kubra, the great Sufi sheikh and founder of Kubra order, rests. On the opposite side of the mausoleum, there is a mausoleum of Sultan Ali, a powerful ruler of Kunya Urgench in the 16th century. Then we went inside. If you walk straight ahead, you can see the tomb of the great Sufi. But before going there, I wanted to pray and opened the door on the right. After the prayer, we proceeded to the tomb itself. The atmosphere in the room was indescribable. All worries disappeared and we felt a deep sense of peace. There is also a brief presentation of this great man's life. Stepping outside, we continued exploring the surrounding area and came across many small and large graves. There are also many legends connected to this place, and if you want to read more and to know more about this place, I will write in the description below the books you can read about this person and about this historical area. Key concepts of teaching Najm Kubra. The first, light, Nur. The second, mystical journey, Tariqa. The third, the soul and its layers. The fourth, contemplation, Mushahada. Generally, Najm Kubra outlined a systematic path of spiritual development, emphasizing self-purification, tazkiyah, removing nafs, the ego or lower self, through ascetic practices and dhikr. Stages and states, maqamat and khal. The path involves traversing fixed spiritual stages, maqamat, and experiencing transient states of grace, khal. Major works of Najm Kubra. The first, Fawaikh al-Jamal wa Fawatikh al-Jalal. Translation, the subtle aromas of beauty and the openings of majesty. A seminal work on mystical light and its role in spiritual transformation. The second, Usul al-Ashara. Translation, the 10 principles. We left this place and headed to another historical site of this city. The Mausoleum of Turbek Khanum is dedicated to Turbek Khanum, the daughter of the Golden Horde ruler Uzbek Khan and the wife of his governor in Khwarezm, Kutlu Timur. She was known as the patron of women and was eventually canonized as a saint. There are many legends associated with her name. One of them tells that she promised to marry the master craftsman Gulgardan if he built the most magnificent structure for her. The craftsman fulfilled the condition, creating the mausoleum, which still amazes visitors with its rich decoration and multicolored ornaments. Architecturally, the mausoleum is a 12-sided prism on the outside and a 6-sided chamber inside. The interior is strikingly elegant. The walls are decorated with colored mosaics and the dome is covered with intricate star and floral pattern. The high and bright hall of the mausoleum covers an area of about 100 square meters. Next, we visited another significant site, the Kutlu Timur Minaret, an outstanding medieval architectural monument in Kunya Urgench. Built in the 14th century, it stands at 60 meters, making it the tallest minaret in Central Asia. The minaret is a conical column tapering towards the top. Its shaft is divided into 18 bands decorated with ornaments and 3 bands featuring inscriptions in Kufic script. It was built under the rule of the Golden Horse governor Kutlu Timur from the Kungrat dynasty. The minaret served not only as an architectural masterpiece, but also had a religious functions, calling the faithful to prayer. After all these experiences, we visited the local home where a delicious and hearty meal was prepared for us. Enjoying the dinner, we headed to the airport in the evening and returned to Ashgabat by plane. Thank you so much. If you watched this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.